What's the meaning of asymmetric? Asymmetric. Asymmetric.
Asymmetric. Asymmetric. Asymmetric refers to a lack of symmetry or balance between two or more things. In the context of physics and mathematics, it can refer to the properties of an object that differ depending on its orientation or direction. In chemistry, it can refer to molecules that have different structures on either side, causing them to behave differently in reactions. In the social sciences, asymmetric information refers to situations where one party has more or better information than the other, leading to imbalanced decision-making. Overall, the term asymmetric implies a lack of balance or equivalence between different elements.